So I have Brian here from Oregon. What part of Oregon are you from, Brian?
Astoria.
Astoria. And you're going to start your mobile detailing business probably soon.
Yep.
Yeah. Brian just graduated from our Detail Czar certified authorized licensee program. Great student. He's been here for 3 days. The first day was a business class. What do you think of the business class?
I really liked it. There was actually a lot of informative stuff on marketing side of it.
So that'll definitely probably help you get it started, get the
Yep.
business growing.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Yes,
you enjoyed
indeed.
that first day, good learning experience.
Yes, it was.
What about day two? Day two was the wash up, the paint correction, prep, paint, ceramic coating application. What do you think of that day?
There was a lot more to the wash prep than
Sure.
just washing your car on a daily base,
Sure.
or a weekly base. So that opened up my eyes a lot.
Paint polishing, paint correction.
That was
Learned from that too?
Learned on the different grades and the foam pads. More.
Excellent. Excellent. Made the car look good, and the ceramic coating too.
Yes, the ceramic coating
Yeah.
was excellent.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pan away for a second on the vehicle that you did. Looks absolutely electrifying, amazing. What about day three today? We did the interior, and you also did headlight restoration and engine cleaning.
Wow, this car coming in was a mess inside, and what we had, what was given to us to bring it out, it really shined.
What about all the steps and the procedures? I mean, you were a great student. You learned a lot.
All the steps were really useful. The heat extraction all the way to the windows, detailing the vents.
And then, of course, you're walking away with our methods and procedures guide on everything.
Everything.
The
yes.
wash up, the interior, the exterior, the headlight restoration. So
Yep.
I wish you the best of luck, man. You were a great student, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.